The croissant, a pastry so beloved it needs no introduction. Its golden flaky exterior and soft buttery interior have made it a favorite around the world. But behind its buttery layers and delicate flakes lies a history as rich and layered as the pastry itself. The story of the croissant is filled with twists and turns, much like its dough. Where did this crescent-shaped delight originate? The answer might surprise you. It's not just a French creation as many might think. It's a tale that takes us through centuries and across borders, from the ancient civilizations to the bustling streets of Paris. Join us as we unravel the delicious history of the croissant. We'll explore its journey from a simple bread to a symbol of culinary excellence. The croissant's beginnings are shrouded in stories and legends. Some tales trace its roots back to the Ottoman Empire, while others link it to the Austrians. Some say it was inspired by the crescent moon, a symbol found in ancient cultures. This celestial shape has been a source of inspiration for many civilizations. Others claim it was invented to celebrate a military victory. One popular legend suggests that bakers in Vienna created the croissant to commemorate the defeat of the Ottoman Turks. Whatever the truth, the croissant's journey is a fascinating blend of fact and folklore. Over time, it has evolved and adapted, becoming a beloved staple in many cultures. Let's delve into the heart of this pastry's past. From its mysterious origins to its modern-day popularity, the croissant story is as delightful as its taste. Our journey begins not in France, but in Austria, a land rich in history and culinary traditions. Here, we meet the Kipferl, a crescent-shaped pastry that predates the croissant by several centuries. This humble pastry holds a significant place in Austrian culture and cuisine. The Kipferl, meaning crescent in Viennese, has been a part of Austrian baking for centuries. Its origins can be traced back to the 13th century, making it one of the oldest pastries in Europe. These early pastries were simpler than the croissants we know today, often made with a denser dough and lacking the airy layers that characterize modern croissants. They were hearty and filling, perfect for the cold Austrian winters.
One popular legend links the Kipferl to the 1683 siege of Vienna, a pivotal moment in European history. According to the legend, bakers, working through the night to prepare bread for the city, heard the enemy tunneling underground. Their vigilance and quick thinking played a crucial role in the city's defense. They alerted the city, helping to defeat the invaders. The successful defense of Vienna was a turning point in the war, and the bakers were hailed as heroes. To commemorate the victory, they created a crescent-shaped pastry resembling the crescent moon on the Ottoman flag. This act of culinary creativity not only celebrated their triumph, but also left a lasting legacy in the form of the Kipferl, a pastry that would eventually inspire the creation of the croissant.
The croissant's journey to France is where the story gets truly fascinating. This beloved pastry, now synonymous with French culture, has a rich history that intertwines with the country's royal past. While the exact details remain shrouded in mystery, it's widely believed that Marie Antoinette, an Austrian princess who became Queen of France, played a pivotal role in introducing the Kipferl to the French court in the 18th century. Her longing for the tastes of her homeland led to a culinary revolution. The Queen, missing the familiar flavors of home, requested her bakers recreate the crescent-shaped pastry she adored. This request was more than just a simple craving. It was a bridge between her past and her present, a way to bring a piece of Austria to France. The French bakers, never once to shy away from culinary innovation, embraced the Kipferl with enthusiasm. They saw an opportunity to put their own spin on this foreign delicacy. They adapted the recipe, using their expertise in laminated doughs to create a lighter, flakier version. This process involved meticulous layering of dough and butter, resulting in the delicate, airy texture we associate with croissants today. This marked the birth of the croissant as we know it, a pastry distinct from its Austrian ancestor. Over time, it became a staple in French bakeries, celebrated for its buttery flavor and crisp, golden layers. The croissant's evolution is a testament to the creativity and skill of French bakers who transformed a simple pastry into an iconic symbol of French cuisine. The story of Marie Antoinette and the croissant adds a touch of royal intrigue to our tale. While there's no concrete evidence to confirm she single-handedly introduced the pastry, the association stuck. The legend fueled the croissant's popularity, associating it with luxury and refinement. Whether or not the Queen played a direct role, the croissant's rise in France coincided with the growing fascination for all things Austrian at the French court. This cultural exchange paved the way for the croissant to capture the hearts and palates of the French people. The 19th century witnessed the croissant's transformation from a royal treat to a beloved staple. The emergence of boulangeries, dedicated bread and pastry shops, made the croissant accessible to the masses.
Bakers across Paris perfected their techniques, each adding their own touch to the recipe. The croissant's popularity soared.
Its affordability and deliciousness made it a breakfast favorite for Parisians from all walks of life. The simple pleasure of enjoying a warm, buttery croissant became an integral part of French daily life. Over time, the croissant evolved into more than just a pastry. It became a symbol of French identity, its image adorned postcards and travel posters, becoming synonymous with French culture and cuisine.
The simple act of biting into a croissant evokes images of charming cafes and Parisian mornings. The croissant's cultural significance extended beyond France.
As French culture spread globally, so too did the love for this buttery delight. From North America to Asia, the croissant transcended borders, becoming a universally recognized and adored pastry. The 20th century saw bakers refine the croissant into the masterpiece we know today. The focus shifted towards achieving the perfect honeycomb structure, a network of airy pockets that create the croissant's signature flakiness.
This involved mastering the art of laminating dough, a labor-intensive process of folding layers of butter and dough to create thin, delicate sheets.
Bakers experimented with different types of flour butter and fermentation techniques to achieve the ideal texture and flavor. The croissant became a testament to the baker's skill and dedication, with each bite a testament to generations of tradition and expertise. As the croissant traveled the world, it encountered different culinary traditions, leading to fascinating and unique regional variations. In Italy, you'll find the cornetto, a sweeter, often brioche-like version of the croissant. In Germany, there's the Franzbrötchen, a cinnamon-swirled pastry inspired by the croissant. These adaptations showcase the croissant's versatility and its ability to transcend different cultures. While the classic French croissant remains the gold standard, these variations demonstrate how a simple pastry can evolve and inspire countless new culinary creations. Today, the croissant holds its place as a global culinary icon. From corner cafes to Michelin-starred restaurants, the croissant graces tables worldwide. It's a testament to the enduring power of simple pleasures, a reminder that sometimes the most satisfying experiences come from humble beginnings.
Whether enjoyed plain dipped in coffee or transformed into a decadent sandwich, the croissant continues to captivate taste buds. Its flaky layers, buttery aroma, and melt-in-your-mouth texture make it a timeless treat that transcends generations.
The croissant's journey from a humble Austrian pastry to a global phenomenon is a testament to the power of culinary ingenuity and cultural exchange. It's a story of adaptation, innovation, and the enduring human love affair with delicious food. So, the next time you break open a croissant, take a moment to appreciate its rich history. Each flaky layer tells a tale of centuries past, of bakers and revolutions, of royal courts and neighborhood boulangeries. It's a reminder that even the simplest pleasures can have the most extraordinary stories to tell.